Okay, YouTube, TikTok, we are live for the evening, late night session. Hope you guys are ready to get after it. Okay, we are back in critical price territory for Bitcoin and the overall market cap of the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin trading above 51K at the time of this recording, ETH at 4,100. XRP has dipped back down below a dollar, down to 97 cents. I'm going to zoom in real quick here on Sologenic. We're going to take a look. 24 hours to go before the Sologenic snapshot is set to occur. Price is at $4. I just took profit again today at 407 was the price on Sologenic. Just took some more profit. So now I have just a little bit left in Sologenic. Still waiting for a little bit more of a pump. I might let the rest of that ride. I don't know. We'll see. Had I had sold the top, I would have made more XRP, but I'm not complaining. We made a couple thousand XRP off this move with Sologenic, and we're gonna get free Sologenic tomorrow with the snapshot. They won't divvy it out till next month, but yeah, it's free money just for being an XRP bag holder. Little reward for us, the rough year that we've had holding the bag here. If you haven't signed up for the airdrop, you do have time, but I would move quickly here. We got less than 24 hours to go till the snapshot occurs. CRO, what's Crow doing? Okay, a lot of the altcoins had started to recover. You're going to want to start taking profits on these. The Bitcoin bull run is over, and we're expecting a major pullback over the whole space. I am expecting a shakeout sometime in the next 48 hours. If we don't get it around Christmas, anytime between now and the end of the year, they can rip this market right back. We want to see Bitcoin start closing dailies above 52K before we start to get too excited, okay? Crow is up 12% today to 60 cents. I'm exiting positions. My targets are lower, and that's because Bitcoin's already topped out. Ethereum would be lucky to catch another all-time high, and so we're waiting for these altcoins to pump. Don't be greedy. Okay, we were already taking profits on Luna as it reached over $90 and got into price discovery. You want to ladder out of these positions unless you're fine holding the bag, because we still are expecting a major market drop into January, but one more pump coming for XRP, XLM, these cryptocurrencies that haven't hit their all-time high. Just like last bull run, remember what happened. XRP was at about 20 cents, and within a month, it was up at $3.80. So at any time now here, we can take off, separate ourselves from the rest of the market. VXV, interesting project. Interested to see what happens with it. I don't hold it at all. Interesting technology. The data use case for crypto is interesting. I'm bullish on that space, but in regards to specific tokens that are speculative assets being like traded, I don't know if that's going to be the chosen data coin or like blockchain for data, right? There's no reason to use a speculative asset for data. That's the problem that I see with VXV and the data market as a whole. However, I am bullish on data moving to blockchains. Any news on the Solo airdrop? Nothing has changed other than Uphold just announced that they will be participating in the drop. So that's good to see. We're going to go look at the Bitcoin daily chart. The price has recovered back above $4 for Sologenic. Like I said, I just took profits. The highest price it hit was $4.30 today. So I took some more profits, got a little bit left that I'm letting ride. Okay, see, here's this resistance level that we had on our Bitcoin chart, 51.9. 51.9. So basically 52K is where we're starting to look for Bitcoin to cross above before we start to get too comfortable here. VVS Finance, yeah, I mean, guys, all of your degenerate DeFi plays, get your money and run. Take out your initial investment as soon as you can and then let the rest ride. You never know when they're going to do a liquidity squeeze on you. You never know when the whales are going to pull out. Yes, they have procedures in their protocols that stop people from doing that, but I'm just telling you, it's working great while everyone keeps their money in, but this market is going to get squeezed. A liquidity squeeze is on the way. We are in the middle of a liquidity crisis. What do I mean shakeout? I'm talking about a pullback in the middle of this bull trap rally potentially. See, this is a bull trap rally where we're moving back up here. Even if we do wick above that 52K level, okay, we're still just relatively trading in this channel, right? If we zoom in here, let's make my chart look a little bit better here. See this channel that we're trading in between 45K, basically 46 and 52. Gold and silver, big fan of the precious metals. Absolutely. Yeah, so you're seeing a lot of green across the space today. Looking really good. Decentraland, 15%, 12%. Oh, by the way, I completely forgot to mention, guys. I just dropped 3 YouTube videos tonight. I've been hitting YouTube hard. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please make sure after this stream that you head on over and subscribe. If you're already on YouTube, if you could hit that thumbs up for me and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm going live, dropping new videos. Trying to hit YouTube hard right now. I think we just surpassed 4,000 subscribers, so that's growing pretty good right now. So yeah, gonna try to drop a lot more YouTube content going forward. Gold and silver, yep, absolutely. Difference between keeping XRP in Zoom or Uphold. Well, Zoom is a little bit more secure, Ben. Shout out to Big Ben. Zoom is a little bit more secure than Uphold because that's a hot wallet. That's the exchange, right? Uphold, you're keeping your money in a hot wallet that the exchange is custodying. With your Zoom wallet, you have the private keys to that wallet, so it's a little bit more secure. As far as the airdrop goes, as long as you set up that trust line and you're holding it in a participating wallet, whether that's Zoom, Uphold, I don't know what other participating wallets are doing the drop, but you'll be able to find them super easy on Sologenic's Twitter. Yeah. They've been talking about a silver short squeeze for over a decade now. Yeah, I mean, basically you have 10 times as much paper being traded or more. It might even be more. But yeah, it's at least 10 times the amount of paper is being traded versus the physical metals that you could actually put your hands on. I do believe that you still need to set up the trust line. Even if you hold on Uphold or any of those, you still need to set up the trust line because that's where you're going to receive the Sologenic. I believe. Maybe that's not the case on Uphold. Honestly, I haven't looked into it. I haven't posted any tutorials on it. If you want a tutorial, Crypto Leo has you covered. Other than that, I was just trying to catch the pump leading up to it. And we did. We didn't play it perfectly, but we still made a couple thousand XRP off that move. So can you list all the places you can buy XRP from in the US? Yeah, Qcoin, Uphold, BitTrue. There might be a couple others. Question, bank cyber attack next year causing banking system collapse. Yes, that's what we're getting the warnings from the elites. They're telling us that the next, I'm going to be careful with my words here, but the next pandemic could be a cyber pandemic. But I'm going to be careful here. Not going to speak on that again. But yep, absolutely. Absolutely. What's interesting is that the Ripple developers just announced XPOP, which is proof of payment, which allows you to use the XRP ledger without an internet connection. Pretty fascinating how they set that up this last year. That's pretty interesting. While we're waiting for the rest of the world to be brought online, that's a great tool, XPOP. You know, you think about that. If you're in a place with bad internet connection or no internet connection, which kind of sounds crazy here in 2021, but you'd be surprised out in the woods in America here, out in the middle of the country, these guys got no internet. But out at the farmer's market, they could still use the XRP ledger using XPOP, just scanning QR codes on their phone. So pretty interesting how Ripple developers have set that up. Yeah, just a lot of green across the board here in the markets, guys. So this is good, although I do believe that we are in the middle of a bull trap. I do believe that this is a bull trap. Getting all the bulls trapped in. Everyone's going to set their longs. I see a lot of guys pushing futures trading right now. I'll tell you what, I was doing futures trading. I wasn't pushing it on anybody, but I was doing it. I lost all my money that I traded, and I'm now not trading futures anymore until next year. I've lost enough money this year doing trading futures. I'm going to wait till next year. This market is so good at shaking you out if you're inexperienced. I would not recommend it unless you're willing to lose, which is how you learn. You have to be willing to lose to learn. Fiat broke right now. Welcome to the club, brother. Yeah, I mean, I'm actually sitting in cash right now, personally, waiting to see what happens here. Before I go in, I'm going to wait for another pullback, which I think is coming between now and the end of the year. Are they giving us 5 XRP per solo coin? No. No one knows what the drop is going to be, but it's going to be less than the snapshot that he took earlier this month on like December 7th or something. I forget what it was. It was earlier this month. Sologenic took a test snapshot, and the prices were $1.54 Sologenic for each solo that you held, and 0.013 for every XRP that you held. But it's going to be less than both those numbers. You can assume that more people have signed up for the airdrop, so it'll be even less. I'm expecting it to be about a 1-to-1 ratio for solo holders and less than 0.01 for XRP holders. Will a lawsuit be settled before or after the cyber attack? I can't predict that one, man. That I can't predict that one. I'm down to speculate, but bro, I don't know, because the lawsuit was staged from the very beginning, and if we do get an attack like that, that'll be staged as well. So, yeah. Avalanche at $1.20, 120. Only David Schwartz knows. Absolutely. Should we sell all stocks? Well, I'm not here to be your financial advisor, and I don't know what your financial advisors are telling you, but I'm in cash. I don't own any stocks, and the only bags that I want to get caught holding are really, really solid cryptocurrencies like ISO 200 coins, XRP, XLM, XDC, but I'm even trying to offload my XLM and XDC before this market crash and pullback. So, take a look here at the XRP daily chart. So XRP has broke out. You can see this symmetrical wedge is what symmetrical wedge is what this is. Okay, you can see this thing consolidating, coiling up, and we have broken out. But with XRP, it's a pumpy dump coin. So they'll pump it up and really fake us out, and then they'll rip it back down. XRP, it's like one that they pump harder than others, but then they pull it back equally as hard. So on the daily chart, we were trying to break that 91-cent resistance. Now we're back up here at that dollar territory. So I suspect we'll be trending between 96 and 97 before we break out again. But let's zoom way out here. 1 week chart. So we got another wedge going right down in here, as you can see. So we're looking to break out of this thing. And until we do, we're not going to get too excited. I mean, that descending wedge, that symmetrical wedge right there that we're looking at, we need to break out of that so that we can pump back up to $2. And then until we break $2, we're not going to all-time high. But the main resistance on the way is going to be at like $1.40. As you can see, this wedge, it's all the way from $1.40 down here. So we'll see what happens. Liquidity crisis coming. Yeah, I mean, realistically, we're already in a liquidity crisis. And the Fed is telling us that the liquidity is ending in March. So that's why I'm calling for a market crash. It's not because I want to be the bear, I want to be the bad guy and like, I don't know, stir things up. It's because I want people to be prepared. And if you listen to the Federal Reserve, they're telling us that the pump is done in March and that they're going to raise interest rates 3 times, which pops a debt-based economy, a debt bubble that we're currently in. Everything is inflated because we've had cheap debt. When you understand how the monetary policies actually affect our economy, you start to see how the Federal Reserve's levers that they have alter and change the direction of the economy, of the markets. So yeah, right there, that's where we're trading right now for XRP. And I am not a technical analysis guy, but any moron can draw this trend line and tell you that we're in a consolidation, right? We got to break out of this thing before we go. But that doesn't mean that they can't dump us like they did down to 40 cents in that liquidation shakeout event. I mean, how long was that candle? That candle wasn't even long. Bitcoin went down to 40K, XRP down to 40 cents. Completely ritualistic, manipulative dump. Billions of dollars wiped out in hours. It's what they love to do. And I'm telling you to watch out and prepare for one between now and the end of the year. And then I'm looking for the altcoin run in January. Specifically, we got XRP with the discovery phase ending in the lawsuit. Yeah, exactly. I'm sure that XRP will hit 4, 5, 6 digits, but hard to predict by the timeline. Absolutely. I like to say 5 years to 5 digits. That's what I always say. 5 years to 5 digits. Yeah, they want to lock us down again. Yep. TikTok, okay, yep, I'm reading your questions. What's up? Thank you for coming in. Do I mean cash is in a stable coin? No, I mean actually like dollars in my bank account. I have my bank accounts linked, so at any time I can make a purchase. So basically I'm ready to go. I don't need to be in a stable coin necessarily to buy cryptos, but I don't have any limit orders placed right now either. But yeah, I'm just sitting on the sidelines for now, waiting to see what happens with this market. Lockdown isn't happening. It's getting a little crazy right now out there, ain't it? It's getting a little crazy. Yeah, trying to watch all my YouTube. Thank you. Yeah, we've been dropping more YouTube content lately. I hope that you have been checking that out. Let's check it out here. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, yeah. Anyways, yeah, check out my last few YouTube videos, guys. If you're having any doubts about your XRP holding, I just dropped a full year in review. I dropped a rapid fire bullet points going through. I made a full summary of the year in review, and I basically just read it off. I condensed it down to 6 minutes. The full video is the 20-minute clip year in review, where I show you all the news articles and tweets, basically going through all of this progress, adoption, and success of Ripple and XRP over the last year in the middle of the SEC lawsuit. I'm definitely being suppressed right now on TikTok. I don't even know why we can't break 60 people in the chat. Guys, if you could tap the screen and share the stream, I guess that everyone's just sleeping and they're doing the Christmas thing. They're in Christmas mode. They're checked out. I know a lot of people are tired right now. Especially with holding XRP. Yeah, I usually pull If I don't pull 150, 200 people in the TikTok chat, something's wrong. Can I explain my reasoning behind my comment on the shakeout before the new year? Steven, absolutely. It's just what they like to do, and they've done it in the past. Let's look. If you look at the XRP chart, if we go back to the 1 year chart, okay, let's go back even further. Where are we at here? Yeah, you see this dump into Christmas down to 22 cents. But they dropped the lawsuit announcement was on the 22nd. So on December 22nd, that's when they announced the lawsuit. And you can see here on 12/22, we were already down at 25 cents. But right before that, we were at 60 cents. And then right before that, 70 cents. Yeah. So they really dumped the market into Christmas last year, especially for XRP. The rest of the market actually started to recover at this time last year. But I'm just talking about, like, I think about how the whales and the market makers like to manipulate and take our money. Like, I think about, like, if I was a whale and I wanted to manipulate this thing and take money from people, I would give them green candles and a pump into Christmas. So they're all excited. They think they're going to go to Christmas dinner with the fam and brag about how much crypto they got and maybe pull up in the Lambo if they invested in Dogecoin early enough, only to have them dump the market liquidity shakeout event like we just saw. When was that? That was right at the end of November. Or no, that was December 4th, right? December 4th. This is what they do, guys. This is how they are whales. But Bitcoin, like I said, we got to get above 52K, start closing dailies above 52K before this gets like solid. This pump is not solid right now, right? For those of you on YouTube, you can take a look at this wedge, this channel that Bitcoin is trading in. If we go to the 1 day chart, you see this channel here. This is what we're talking about. 46 and 52. What do I think about the XRP price in 2022? Guys, I'm super bullish on XRP. I just understand that it's in a staged lawsuit, right? The cryptocurrency that's been working with the banks and regulators since the very beginning is caught up and being suppressed. I'm very knowledgeable. Do I have a financial background or self-taught? Self-taught, started researching and understanding what the Federal Reserve was back in 2012. Ron Paul was what started my awakening. When Ron Paul was running for president in 2012, and then I read his book and the Fed, that's when I had the okay, what the hell is going on moment. From that point on, I started to actually do a lot of research for myself. In 2015, I launched my own business. And then from 2015 on, I've been studying business and investing. I just started investing in 2018 though, and I've only invested into crypto. Other than that, I've just been growing my business and been studying business and investing since then. That is my background. Nothing fancy, no degree. My strategies are simple. Not a technical analysis, okay? I take a macro view, look at the current events, line it up with the charts, and then I make my predictions. Creature from Jekyll Island red-pilled me so hard. Yeah, for a lot of people, whether it was reading Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Creature from Jekyll Island, Ron Paul was the man, the president that we never had. Shout out to Ron Paul. Shakeout on Ether or just Bitcoin or the whole ecosystem? Yeah, it's going to be all of crypto. What happens is Bitcoin will pull back 10%. The altcoins will pull back 20 to 30%. So let's take a measurement right here where we're at now. let's say we get a wick up to 52 just to say they give us one pump to tease us at 52 and then we pull back. That's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted. We want to do this. Okay, 52K. Yeah, 13% brings us back down to 45. So, I mean, even like a 10% pullback takes us to 46. So, 46.7. So yeah, that like, it wouldn't even be the end of the bull run. That's the thing. We don't start to get super bearish until we start closing dailies below 40K. 40K is that price where we start to have a different conversation. And as you can see, this is why we have the resistance, the supports at 40K. If you look at these previous movements in the market back into September, that's where we touched down 40K level. So let's take a look here. Yeah, right in there. 40,600, give or take, right? If we start to close dailies below 40K, we're having a different conversation, one that I'm not looking forward to, one that I'm hoping we don't have to have until later in January. But if Bitcoin just does a little something here, let's draw a picture, goes up a little bit more, and then we dump back down, we could do 10% down, and we're still trending within this channel. So let's just go rapid fire Q&A, guys. Rapid fire Q&A, YouTube, TikTok. Thank you for coming in tonight. Appreciate you guys for coming in. Late night session. Comments on why Gardenhouse was in Antarctica with Klaus Schwab. They were talking to the aliens, most likely. Brad and David talking to the aliens down in Antarctica, most likely. I don't know why they were down there, guys. I don't know. I don't know why. VVS, yes or no? For me, it's a yes on the degenerate DeFi plays, but just take your money and run. As soon as you can pull your initial investment out, pull them out and run. Because there's going to be a liquidity squeeze at some point, so don't get caught holding those bags. Places to sign up for the airdrop. Yeah, I've dropped a couple videos on it. If you look, any solo TikToks that I made, also on my YouTube, I've dropped some content there as well. XDC is going to do trade finance. Akuma. XDC is looking at the trade finance market. It's meant for enterprise corporate businesses. XRP is meant more for the settlement layers of banks and financial institutions. Two different use cases, but they will dip into each other's markets. Like, for example, XRP will eat up some of the enterprise trade finance space too. But trade finance is a $19 trillion market. Engine, what's the top? I have not taken a look at Engine. Let's take a look here. I know a lot of you guys like your Engine. We'll take a look at your coins, answer your questions. Yeah, your Nano doesn't have Sologenic, but you need to, if you just go to the XRP toolkit or the Sologenic wallet, decentralized exchange, you can download the trust line there, and then you should be good to go. If you just link your Ledger wallet, you got to link your cold storage wallet to whatever wallet you're going to be receiving the airdrop on. Is that right? Yeah, if you download the Zoom wallet and then just link your Ledger wallet to the Zoom wallet. Have I claimed any airdrops for XRP? I've done a couple, but I've stopped doing them. Oh shit, no, I wanted to look at Engine. Okay, sorry. Engine 290, it's up 9% today. What was that all-time high at? 11.24 back in November. November 25th, it hit $4.85. We're down 40% from that. This is one of those deals, guys. You're going to be lucky if it gets back up to that all-time high. And if it does, you need to be laddering out of your position on the way up. Don't get greedy right now. Okay, there is something left in this bull run. The market cap is only 2.4 billion, so there is room for Engine to pump, but don't wait for it to do a 2 to 3x from that previous all-time high. That's what I was saying on some of these coins. Is I was like, okay, if Bitcoin extends out to like 6 digits, we're doing 100K for Bitcoin. Ethereum stretches out to 7 to 10K. This is going to be like a big bull run with a lot of liquidity to pour into these altcoins. But because Bitcoin topped out at 69K, Ethereum topped out at whatever that was, 5K, our targets are lower, guys. Our targets are lower, and we're looking for these coins that already hit their all-time high. They'll be lucky to get back up to that previous all-time high. I would ladder out on the way up. What else are we looking at? $20. Was that a price target for Engine? $20? Solo's at 402 right now. Okay, we're going to watch that one closely. Why did I stop doing airdrops? Because the airdrops were a bunch of shitcoin meme coins being put on the XRP ledger, and it was actually clogging it up, which is a temporary issue. The issue isn't with the transactions per second. The issue is with the amount of people that are trying to tap into the ledger at once with wallets. And basically, that's what clogged up the XRP ledger. So that's why I stopped doing them. And because most of them, you were receiving worthless coins that'll probably never be anything. So that's why I stopped doing them. What are the great red pill books? I heard End the Fed, Ron Paul, and The Creature from Jekyll Island. Any other book recommendations? Eric said, I had a Zoom party last night with my kids, hooking them all up. We've been crypto for about 9 months. Awesome. I'd love to hear that. I got to set my brother up tomorrow. Yeah, my brother. Got to get him hooked up. Got him in on XRP a while ago. As a Man Thinketh is the best book ever written. That's an interesting one. Or I've never read that book, actually. I'll have to check that out. Thoughts on Crow? Interesting project. Same deal. Be lucky to break its all-time high. What was it? The all-time high was like $1. It's at 61 cents now. Yeah, 13% on the day. But the market cap's already at 15 billion. Adam, what is up, brother? How are we doing? Thank you for the candy cane. I appreciate all the gifts. I appreciate you guys for tapping the screen, sharing the stream, and for coming in tonight on the late night session. If you haven't checked out my latest YouTube videos, you definitely want to check those out. I did the full year in review for XRP. If you forgot about all the success that we had, if you've been drowned out by all the memes and all the people making fun of us, go check out that video. Am I holding Sologenic for Quorum or Quorum? I am not. I mean, I might hold some of my Sologenic here. If it doesn't pump much more, I might just like let the rest that I have ride. But like, I only have like 100 Solo left, so I have nothing left in Solo. I already took my profits on Sologenic. Sabina, what's up? What's up? How's it going? Where are we for the case against XRP? We're waiting for the discovery phase to end in January and for a potential settlement to happen in January. That's where we're at. Numbers protocol pumped again. What is that? Near? Let's take a look at near. Yep, you guys need to ladder out of these positions. At least I would. 1375 for near. 13% today. The all-time high was 5 hours ago at $14.85. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. These are going into price discovery. Start to ladder out of your positions. At least I would. The Matrix was awesome. Yeah, I need to watch that. Steven, are you talking about the new Matrix movie? Looks like XRP has dropped below resistance and may drop further. Graston, yeah, I mean, XRP, it'll hover maybe between 96 and $1 over the next 24, 48 hours. But I'm looking for a shakeout event over the next 48 hours for Bitcoin in the overall market. If you look here on this chart, I've showed this a few times already on the stream, but here you go. This is the channel that Bitcoin is trading within. But if Bitcoin does not get above 52K, the rest of this market should not be feeling comfortable right now. And they love to shake us out. They would love to ruin our Christmas. And so I'm just telling you guys to be prepared. Adam says it's going to go up like crazy. Adam, I think it will into the new year. Into the new year. And the shakeout could be quick. Like I already talked about this. So like we already have support for Bitcoin at 45K. We're moving within this channel, 45K to 52K. So they could pull back 10% in this market. Bitcoin would still be within this channel and still within bullish posture. And the only reason why Bitcoin matters is because we're waiting for Bitcoin to kind of just stay sideways while the altcoins can go on a run here. We don't want Bitcoin to just do an absolute dump and take the rest of the market with it. But I'm trying to tell you guys to be prepared, because if we get that 10% drop in Bitcoin, they can do 20 to 30% on our altcoins, like XRP. Even though XRP isn't an altcoin, it is the coin. Yeah, I mean, they could bring down XRP something nasty. Let's take a look here. If we went from this point, okay, no, this is still good. We could drop 23% for XRP and still be at that 76-cent support. You can see here the support lines that I've drawn. For XRP, the channel that we've been trading in is 76 cents to 91 cents. But we broke out recently, touched above $1. Now here we are hovering right below $1. You can see we've been in two consolidation patterns, and we got this symmetrical wedge dropping down too. So yes, we broke out of this one, but we're not going to get excited until we break out of this much larger resistance. Let's zoom back out, right? Till we break out of this, we're not going crazy. XRP isn't an altcoin, it's a stable coin. You know, here's the thing, guys. I'm going to make a TikTok. It's just going to be simple. It's just going to be like, all right, guys, if it's not going to be XRP, what's it going to be? And I'll just let everyone stitch it, duet it, and tell me. XRP isn't going to run the financial system. Okay, what's it going to be? What's it going to be? Yeah, the new movie. Okay, yeah, I need to check out the new Matrix. I think it's on HBO Max, isn't it? Yes, sorry, Brady. Yes, I took profit from the Sologenic before the airdrop. Yes, Brady. Yes. This is what I was waiting for, was the pump in Sologenic leading up to the airdrop. So here's I'll just give you guys the quick rundown of how I played the Sologenic airdrop. When Sologenic was between $2.50 and $3, I put 1,000 XRP in. I moved 500 XRP to Solo, and then I moved another 500 XRP to Solo when it dropped down below 250. So I put 1,000 XRP into Sologenic. When it pumped, I took profits on Sologenic when it hit $5.55. So if we go to the Solo price chart, I'll show you guys what happened here. It topped out at $6.56. And then on the way down, let's go to the 1 month chart. See this, $6.56, this is where it was at. And then on the way down, I took profits right in here at this level, $5.55. That's when I took my initial 1,000 XRP back out. And then what have I since done? I've since taken out another 1,000 XRP, give or take. And I still have 100 Sologenic left, which is worth another 400 or 500 XRP. So I don't know what that is. I made a couple thousand XRP off it. We'll see what happens though. Like I said, I'm still holding 100 Sologenic, and I'm trying to see it pump to like $5 at least. But we're running out of time here. 24 hours left to go. here's how I think it'll play out going forward. I think that Sologenic is going to have an initial dump, and then it might recover into January with the rest of the altcoin run. But I think that it overall can be a successful project over the next year or so. But short term, it's going to dump after the airdrop, and then it might recover if we get the altcoin run in January. What's up, guys? How's it going? What's up? What's up? Do I only hold XRP? Nope. I hold XTC, XLM, Sologenic, Casino Coin, and Electronium. Do I hold anything else? Nope. I don't know. I'm kind of interested in doing a little degenerate DeFi play just to mess around, but the market, this isn't a market to be playing around in still. It's really not. Because, yeah, like I said, if you do any degenerate DeFi plays, as soon as you can get your initial investment out, pull it out and then let the rest ride. It's just like how I played Sologenic. I invested 1,000 XRP. Went up to, it pumped 3x. I was up 3x. Take your initial out, and then you can play with the rest. Decide what's best for you after that. But this is not a market to be playing around in, guys. Are they tokenizing stocks? Eventually they will, yes. Rosie Rios, yep, massive. One of the biggest pieces that I covered in my year in review was Rosie Rios joining the board of directors at Ripple. Brady, thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate that, man. I think that we've almost hit 4,000 subscribers. We're really close. By the time I get off here, we'll probably have broken 4,000. Yes, Sologenic will be distributed on January 20th. Correct. Snapshot here within 24 hours and delivery next year, which is kind of nice because that means that we won't have a tax implication till next year. TikTok, if you guys could tap the screen and share the stream and let TikTok know that they shouldn't be shadow banning me right now. And also, if anybody is asleep, we should wake them up. Send them this stream right now and tell them to wake up because we're looking for Sologenic to pump. And we need to catch this pump. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Also, you should show some love here because I'm not doing battles. We're just giving you solid crypto news, price predictions, staying over the target. When did I start my channel? Like a month or two ago, but I started getting consistent on YouTube over the last couple weeks. Over the last week or so, we've grown from 1,700 to now about to break 4,000. So good progress. Nothing compared to TikTok. We got 176,000 on TikTok. So if we could just get a few more thousand over to YouTube. But I'm just now posting over on YouTube, so that's just now getting going. What's up? Thank you for coming in tonight, guys. People are selling XRP for Solo right now, and once they drop, they'll sell their Solo for XRP. Exactly. However, I don't XRP can pump, but I don't think it's going to be because people are moving their money back from Sologenic into XRP. Because if you look at Sologenic, the market cap is only 800 million right now. So even if half of that liquidity moved back to XRP, that's only 400 million. And you have an XRP that's trading at 46 billion. So that's not going to move XRP much, right? Although XRP can dump after the airdrop, although I'm expecting it to recover much better than Sologenic after that initial dump. But this is all timing up. The Sologenic airdrop is timing out for this liquidation event that I'm talking about with Bitcoin and the rest of the market. Brittany, how are you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. How are you doing, Brittany? Prosperity Fund, let's go. What's up? What's up, guys? How are you guys doing tonight? Late night live stream. TikTok suppressing us. You know the deal. Make sure you've headed on over to YouTube and hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't, check out my last couple of videos where I'm dropping the sauce on XRP success and adoption over the last year. We just had the 1-year anniversary of the SEC dropping the staged lawsuit on us. So, quick shout out to the SEC. Thank you for protecting investors across this country. You guys are doing such a great job of protecting us and keeping our money, protecting our bags. We appreciate you so much, Gary. Gary, I just want to say I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, whatever your thing is. Cheers to you, Gary. Fantastic job. Thank you, Kimberly. I appreciate that. How many XRP? There is no minimum amount that you need for the airdrop. You just have to either hold Sologenic or XRP, and then you need to set up the trust line. Yeah. Huge shout out to Gary in the chat. Gary is my guy. What's my best guess for XRP 2025? I think 5 digits in 5 years. So, in or around 2025. The new financial system will be rolled out completely by 2025. So we will be in a much different world, a much different reality. What do I think will be the relationship between the QFS and XRP? One in the same. XRP running a huge chunk of the QFS. And yes, our financial system is going quantum, okay? Don't get confused here. Don't get it twisted. They're telling us the quantum computing is like 10 years away. That is not true. China's already announced that they have quantum computers. You already know what our intelligence agencies are working on behind the scenes. You already know that David Schwartz has told us that he's working on making the XRP ledger quantum resistant, which will be key over the next decade. Like, this is how you get cryptocurrencies to last decades into the future, is they have to be ready to handle quantum. They have to be quantum resistant. That's something that you will not hear anybody else really talking about in the cryptocurrency space. No one here on TikTok is going to mention that for you, I don't think. At least I've not heard it from anyone, but something to consider. And go pull up the clips of David Schwartz saying that they are working on making XRP quantum resistant. And here's what happens with the QFS, guys, is you're going to have nodes put on satellites, nodes like XRP that are already in nuclear bunkers. You already have XRP nodes in nuclear bunkers today. And then you're going to have them tied into ones running on satellites as well. And the transactions will be even faster. The underbanked, or not even underbanked, the unbanked, the rest of the world that's not even tapped into the internet, they're about to come online over the next decade. And that's billions of people. So as the rest of the world is brought online through the internet, being expanded by satellite across the world, okay, we're going to bring a few billion people into the financial system. And although those markets are relatively small, they're undeveloped areas of the world that don't really have as much of the world's GDP as the developed countries, it is significant. It'll add up. When you bring a few billion people online, it's going to add up. Did I see the Swift news? What's the Swift news, Lori? Drink Coors in battle, baseball. That's what Solo is launching for? Yeah. Should we drink cores in battle? Brady, yes. Yeah, look it up, my friend. XRP nodes already put in bunkers. Yeah. You can leave your XRP on Uphold. I think that you just need to set up the trust line then. So you set up or you hold your XRP on Uphold, just set up the trust line. Adrian says, I heard that something big is happening to XRP by January 6th, 2022. Well, that would be the 4-year anniversary from it hitting its previous all-time high. So, yeah. I'm expecting something interesting to happen here with XRP too over the next month. There's just a lot lining up. What was the Swift news? DAG moving up a little bit, or finally moving. Yep. A lot of these cryptos, okay. I would ladder out of your positions as they approach their all-time high. But short term, guys, short term, over the next 48 hours and even until the New Year's. But I just feel that Christmas dump. Like they're just going to be so happy sitting in their towers watching down on us, the whales, market manipulators. They're going to be looking down on us on Christmas, getting ready to go sit down for family dinner on Christmas, and they're just going to rip billions out of this market. I'm really worried about that. So short term, be ready for a pullback right now. I already took profits on my Sologenic because of that. But I still believe that we will get a pump in January. Brady says, I appreciate you not selling us anything. Everyone hit the like button. Thank you, Brady. Yeah, if everyone could smash that like button, as the YouTube kids say, I would greatly appreciate that. I do have nothing to sell you guys. I do charge for running my Discord community. So sorry about that. If you want to get into the Discord group, it is $17 a month. I'm not selling that. I'm not pushing that. It's just for running that community and for keeping out the people that we need to keep out. That's why we run it at $17 a month. So if you want to join that, it is linked up in the bio. Other than that, I got nothing to sell you. And you can get plenty of great information and content just by staying tuned into this channel, tuned into my TikTok. I pride myself on continuing to bring value to our community. So appreciate all of you guys for tuning in tonight. Thank you. So yeah, let's watch things closely here, okay? Just be ready for that shakeout liquidation event anytime in the next 48 hours while you're sitting down opening up your Christmas presents. Maybe just don't even check your phone. Don't even look at it. Just enjoy your time with your family. Are these replays available on YouTube? Yes. The live streams are all posted on YouTube. If you want to check them out there, you can. And you'll have much better audio out of the Shure mic there as well. You guys definitely got to go check out my most recent YouTube videos. My 10,000 XRP video was really blown up. That one has hit like 30-something thousand views on YouTube. That's my biggest video yet. So that one's really going, really stirring things up. People get offended when I talk about XRP hitting $10,000. To which I just say, okay, let's just have a conversation then. What's going to run the new financial system? If it's not going to be XRP, let's talk about it. If Swift isn't going to run on XRP, let's talk about it. What's it going to be? Nobody else has a patent for Swift that includes XRP in it, or includes their cryptocurrency in it, I should say. Nobody has a Swift patent that includes their cryptocurrency. Luna, Avalanche, all these new cool cryptos, none of them. Chainlink has nothing like that. Are they solid projects here? Yes. I like Avalanche. Chainlink, interesting. Probably going to buy it in the bear market. Algorand, big fan of. XLM, of course, you guys know the deal with that. I'm looking at Cosmos right now too. I'm going to be interested in looking into Cosmos during the bear market. I would be investing in some of these projects, but I know that they just don't have that much room left to go. You'll be lucky to get a 2 or 3x if they reach back out to their all-time high. So for me right now, it's just not worth it. Even like HBAR. I don't hold any HBAR right now. Hashgraph, solid technology. The partnerships that HBAR has, incredible. Good stuff going on with it. Asia loves it. But the opportunity, you'd be lucky to catch a 3x if it goes back up to like $1, which would be 2x from the previous all-time high. HBAR topped out at 55 cents. Are we going to see it 2x that previous all-time high? Maybe. The market cap's at $5 billion right now, so you'd have to see it, increase by quite a bit just to reach out to that dollar price point. 20 billion in HBAR. Is it possible? Yes. But I'm sitting in cash. I'm all in cash right now. Other than the investments that I've already mentioned that I hold. XRP, XLM, XDC, Sologenic, Electroneum, and Casino Coin. Those are my only holdings. Missy, what's up? Oh, Swift Go? Yes. Lori, I have heard of Swift Go. Is there anything new with it? It's basically just their updated messaging. From what I understand, looking over Swift Go, which I'll look into it more, but my initial walkthrough of Swift Go, understanding of Swift Go, was that it's just their updated messaging. Lori, I appreciate you posting that information in the Discord group. I will take a look at that and we'll get into that. Can I name my holdings again? Yes, I will, but this is not financial advice. Don't copy me. Although everything that I hold has not hit its all-time high this bull run. So everything that I hold still has really good 10x potential. If they finally catch a pump towards the end of the bull run like we're expecting, these cryptos have not hit their all-time high besides XDC and besides the little bit of Sologenic that I have left. XDC is the only thing that I hold that has hit its all-time high this bull run. XRP, XLM, XDC, Sologenic, Electroneum, and Casino Coin. Electroneum and Casino Coin, I really don't even have that much in them, but, it allows me to say that I'm diversified. Do I link my bank card on these exchanges? Yeah, on Uphold, I can't link my credit union to Uphold. It's too small of a credit union. So unfortunately, I can only link my card to Uphold. So I'm stuck buying 500 XRP at a time, $500 worth of XRP at a time, which is unfortunate. Or any other cryptos that I have. Oh yeah, I forgot. I still have Zilliqa. Well, I threw some money at Zilliqa. It's way down. Let's see what Zilliqa's doing. Zilliqa back up to 7 cents. Dang, Zilliqa's been way down. I bought it at like 20 cents, but I only threw like $50 at it. So that's a holding that I don't even mention. But HBAR as a long-term investment, good. Michael, yes. Mentalek says HBAR to $5. Yeah, I think the HBAR is a really solid project, really solid hold. Except here's the thing, guys. The only reason why I'm going to hold XRP through this bear market is because I'm worried about getting it again. I'm going to sell off my XLM and XDC and everything else because I know I can get it again. That's the difference between XRP and the rest of my holdings is I know I can buy my XLM back. I know I can get everything else back. But with XRP, we just don't know. Do I think the XRP will be $4 after this lawsuit? Yeah, for sure. For sure. But I'm going to wrap this one up, guys. I appreciate you guys for coming in tonight. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that notification bell. Please hit that thumbs up if you get a chance. That would be greatly appreciated. All the links are in the description of this video. If you want the merch, if you want to join the Discord group, sign up for Patreon. We'll send you the link. I appreciate all of you guys. Let's get ready to spend some time with our family over the holidays. Be ready for that liquidation shakeout event in the next 48 hours. When it happens, you can come back and we can drown away our sorrows, I guess. I don't know. I think that even though we will have a shakeout between now and the end of the year, we still will hold bullish posture, hopefully, and we will catch our altcoin pump into January. But that's all for me, folks. We will see you in the next one. Take care and God bless. Thank you.